Good morning, Year Ones, and happy Friday. Welcome to today's maths lesson. Today we will be comparing and ordering numbers to 50. Let's warm up by reciting our numbers to 50. You ready? Let's do some actions too.
The learning screen.
So tap your shoulders.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Tap your head.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
Shoulders.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Brilliant, well done, super counting. Okay, T-Rex and Stegosaurus have been stomping around. T-Rex has stomped 28 times and Stegosaurus has stomped 32 times. 28 times and 32 times. Now let's look at this using a part-whole model. So here we know T-Rex stomped 28 times, which is 2 tens and 8 ones. Stegosaurus stomped 32 times, which is 3 tens and 2 ones. Let's look at the two numbers on a number line. 28 and 32. 32 is further along the number line, so this means it is the greater number. Now let's look at this using Deans. So this says 28 and this says 32. Can you see that there are only 2 tens on this side, but there are 3 tens on this side? We can see that Stegosaurus has more tens, so he must have done more stomps. Now, T-Rex and Stegosaurus are roaring. T-Rex roars 27 times and Stegosaurus roars 24 times. Now let's look at this using Deans. Here we can see 27, 2 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. 27. This side we can see 24. There are 2 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. 2 tens and 4 ones is 24. This time they both have the same amount of tens, so we need to look really carefully at the ones. So we've both got 2 tens, haven't they? Let's look carefully. Who has more ones? Was it T-Rex or was it Stegosaurus? It was T-Rex, wasn't it? He has 7 ones. Stegosaurus only has 4 ones. Now let's look at this using a part-whole model. T-Rex had 27, which is 2 tens and 7 ones. Stegosaurus had 24, which is 2 tens and 4 ones. Let's look at the two numbers on a number line. So we have 24 and 27. 27 is further along the number line, so this means it is the greater number. Let's use our more than, less than symbol to show this. So can you remember the crocodile always eats the bigger number? Can you see that his mouth is open towards number 27 because 27 is bigger, is greater than 24. Now T-Rex and Stegosaurus are eating, and T-Rex chomps 40 times, Stegosaurus chomps 35 times. Now let's think about these numbers using our Deans. Can you draw the tens and ones for each dinosaur's chomps. So what I want you to do is grab a whiteboard and pen or a piece of paper and a pencil, and you're going to draw how many 10s and 1s they have. So for your 10s, I want you to draw a line, and for your 1s, I want you to draw a dot. Okay, if you pause the video and do that for those two numbers for me now. Okay, so let's look together. This time we can quickly see that T-Rex has more 10s, so we know this is the greatest number. So hopefully you've drawn 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, or 4 10s. And for Stegosaurus you drew 1, 2, 3 lines for your 3 10s, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s for your 5 1s, or our number 35. So which is the biggest number? Is it T-Rex's number or is it Stegosaurus? It's T-Rex because he has more 10s. Now have a go at writing the more than and less than symbol in between your two numbers. Which number would the crocodile prefer to eat? Remember, the crocodile is very greedy and always eats the biggest number. So I want you to write number 40 and 35 down on your paper, and then you're going to do your crocodile mouth to show me which is the biggest number. Can you pause the video to do that now? So hopefully your crocodile mouth was facing this way towards number 40 because that is the greater number. Now let's try some more numbers. Pause the video to draw your Deans if you need to help. So now we have number 19 and 39. Can you write those two numbers down and draw your crocodile mouth, your more than or less than symbol, facing the correct way to show which number is greater than the other one. So your crocodile mouth needs to be open towards the greater number. Can you pause the video to do that now? So hopefully your crocodile mouth was facing 39. 39 is greater than 19. Let's try with these two numbers. We have 49 and 41. Which is the greater number? Can you write these two numbers down and draw your crocodile mouth? So I don't know if you had a sneaky peek there, but it was 49. So your crocodile mouth should be open towards 49 because 49 is greater than 41. Okay, now we've had a good practice of that. Your independent task today is to compare the numbers to see which is greatest and smallest. If you don't have a printer, you can copy the numbers into your homeschool book or ask an adult to, and then you can tick which one is greater or smaller. For your chili challenge today, it's quite tricky. I'd like you to order the 4 numbers from smallest to greatest. So you're going to have 4 numbers, and they're on the worksheet, and I want you to put them in the boxes from smallest to greatest. And there's 2 sets of numbers for you to do there. You can use your 100 square that you have at home to help you with this. Fantastic maths learning this week. Well done.